It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J, what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. Tell Portmore, the wine cake set a record. Red label wine, sorry, I go sell off. Paint up the place, whitewash.
So anyways, it's 5:32 on December 31st, the day before New Year's Day. And I don't know if I can't tell because the room dark. But anyways, we stopped by to just say hi to Sash, but it doesn't look like she's there. Hi Noah! I'm here vlogging. Is Sash here? Danny will know. But yeah, we're gonna go straight over to Chin, and then I'm gonna go watch the fireworks later. So I have to go present myself better than this. I have to wash my hair to get my hair done tomorrow. But anyways, bye. I'm going somewhere. Look at Goody with the nice hairstyle. She look good though. It's very Alicia Keys vibes. Should have some beads at the end of it. That'd be very cute.
Fire for the decade.
Yeah. Malika do up our baby ear.
No.
Yeah. And there's Nini.
Hi.
Okay, good night vlog. So we're in the store now getting something to eat. Well, I'm getting something to eat because if I'm gonna indulge in a little bit of liquid courage, I want to make sure I have something on my belly. So I think I might get a spiced bun because I feel like that might give me some substance. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. Move on. Alright, bye guys.
I want 2 times. I want 3, 4, 5 times. It's the ones they see. Like any they could build up, you know. Then call and then say, oh, go and go check this. So.
When it really I think
There's a lot of fireworks going on, but you can barely see them. But there's a bunch of fireworks because it's St. Andrew, Kingston, all the way over in St. Catherine. More specifically Spanish Town, Portmore, them areas there. Okay guys, so it's 11:59 right now. From here on out, I'm gonna put something over this video so I don't get monetized. want to say anything?
Happy
to my Happy New Year.
What's the name of your channel?
Bicana.
Bicana?
Yeah.
Happy New Year from Bicana.
Happy New Year. Thank you. Yeah, man.
Perfect 10 rental. Hit us up on Instagram.
I always post Perfect 10. I'm going to put a flyer in, and I'm also going to leave the information down in the description box. So make sure you guys go and check it out. Whenever you need to rent a car, any car, a good car, perfect car, it looks beautiful. Perfect 10. Check it out. All right. Yo.
Perfect 10 rental.
Perfect 10 rental.
Yeah, chop them out too.
Yeah, man. Have him tell you to view them up, so only people are seeing it.
And listen, that girl from Trinidad, you need to pronounce my name properly.
Laura Lone, yeah?
My name is Jonardo.
She'll pronounce your name right, but
Johnardo. Stop spelling my name incorrect.
I'ma feel himself, right? I'ma feel himself?
Of course I'm feeling myself, dog.
Yeah.
Right now. Good evening.
Turn up the music.
So guys, Happy New Year. Thank you so much. I've gotten over 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 extra subscribers in 1 week. I'm so grateful. Well, sorry, the night nice, and I am very excited. The giveaway is still going on. I think I might upload this before I finish the rest of the Vlogmas videos. I'm still gonna upload them because I did not record them for no reason, but I do want you guys to, you know, be up to date. So Happy New Year's from Bicana. Thank you guys so much for being a part of the fam. Even if you're not subscribed, make sure you go and subscribe right now, because that's the move, you see? That's the move. Alright, have a great New Year. I might end the vlog off here because I really don't have that much storage left on this camera. But yeah, man out with him baby and ting. But anyways, have a great night. Enjoy your New Year's. Have a splendid day. I'm gonna come back tomorrow because I have a New Year's party to go to. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Bye.
You just kind of bread that's like. You want me shirt? Baby and that. Oh, it's not fancy because it's baby and that.
Yeah. The first one. The first one. Put on your flash stand. Answer my here now. You want to fuck the brother and sleep as grandma and the brother. Then the right here.
What have to say to my vlog?
Huh? What have to say to your vlog? 2020 is gonna post that year. 2020 is gonna be amazing here.
Hold on. Cause okay, vlog, I hope you guys can hear me. I'm using my phone right now because my camera is full. I have so many videos to upload, but I'm gonna upload, I believe, the New Year's video. So you'll be seeing this video now, and then I'm gonna go back in time and then show you all the Vlogmas videos because I never record them for nothing. I'm gonna put them up. This is the first time I've actually recorded every single day of Vlogmas, even though I couldn't upload every day. I'm gonna record every day, and I'm very, very proud of that. Because like 2 years now, I'm gonna try to do it. I'm gonna do it good. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna get my hair done. Bop. Malik, come with the ear. We have to come all the way downtown. In Orton. Yeah. Sorry, I ease. But I was just telling the vlog how I had to come all the way downtown to find expressions here because I'm trying to get a little hairstyle. I'm sorry. But vlog. Oh shit. You know, on the window don't so low. You get two? Yeah. Thanks. Alright, vlog, I gotta go. Gotta go get my hair did. I'll see you guys later. So there's a video that went viral. Well, it didn't go viral, but there's a video going around.
Why you tell people?
Alright, never mind. You're not gonna. Because like I said, we're not in here. Malik came. Let's show them what we ordered. So we got 3 meal deals. I got barbecue. Malik and Shin got spicy. Yeah, so we're gonna be KFC now. I want to show them I still need to export the footage from my camera. Some on my phone, so it's shaky. Got my hair did. Laid. Yeah, alright. Alright, next time.